Hey guys, welcome back to the Thrifty Christian YouTube channel. In this video, I just want to announce that I've noticed OfferUp is now allowing us to list from our desktop. I was messing around this morning, and for some strange reason, I had to go into OfferUp, and I was just checking a message or something, and I wanted to check it on my desktop. So I noticed that they're allowing us to list with our desktop now, which is pretty cool because before you couldn't do that. And since you guys may or may not know, I'm heavily into cross listing on as many platforms as I can. And so currently I'm listing on eBay. So this is the t-shirt that I've just listed on eBay. I've created a listing here for a Costa Del Mar t-shirt. Here it is on Poshmark. Here it is on Mercari. And now here it is on OfferUp. So I listed this one t-shirt on 4 platforms at the same time. The thing that I like about this and its potential is that, well, I'll tell you the positive and the negative. The negative about this is the shipping cost right here. So I'm going to hope that this t-shirt, if it sells, is less than 8 ounces, which generally most of my t-shirts are right at about 6 or 7 ounces shipped because I ship them in a poly mailer. And I'm still going to profit after the 7.9% fee that they charge if it sells and if it gets shipped and if they have to send me a label to print. I'm still going to make $6.44. Now my target on a t-shirt is about $5 profit, okay? And this way I can ensure that I can put the price in low enough that it will entice the buyer to go ahead and buy it. Now, another thought that I've had is that I could raise the price to, let's just say, to remove the risk of the shipping part here in case I got this wrong. I could raise the price to, let's just say, $10, okay? And leave the shipping where it's at there. And then what I thought about doing was going right here and copying this and pasting it right there. And it basically is saying this: get this item shipped for free by copying the title and pasting it into eBay's search bar. This will take you to my store where you can find many other clothing deals. So on this platform, you cannot put any web links or URLs. If it detects them, it will automatically remove them. I don't know how you can get around it, but this is kind of like one of the ways that I think in order to entice the buyer to purchase your item with free shipping, they can just go straight over to your eBay store and find it there. But here is the difference right here. Here's the risk just basically in the shipping, because if it weighs, let's just say it weighed 9 ounces, which some shirts do. I've had t-shirts that weigh 12 ounces before, just depending, I guess, on the size and whether or not they're a heavy cotton. So nobody really wants to pay $7 to have a t-shirt shipped if it's over 8 ounces. So I think this really, I wish this price was negotiated better by OfferUp, maybe $4.25, something like that, or $4 to have this weight shipped, because I can ship 8 ounces, my cost, at $3.18. Now this just tells me whether or not, OfferUp's doing it to probably make a profit, because they can get the same price as I can. Probably even better than what I can get it for at 8 ounces. So I don't know. They need to work on this, but still, I just wanted to show you guys this quick little tip to, if you're going to cross list over onto OfferUp, throw this in there and direct them over to your eBay store to try to make a sale there if they frown upon the price here, or maybe they, send you an offer, or they ask you a question if you can do any better. Then you can just refer back to that and tell them to go over to eBay and get it at a better price. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Like and subscribe. Give me some comments if you can, and let me know what you think about this little cross-listing deal that I've created here. Thanks. God bless. Thrifty Christian. Out.